So an inexperienced judge could literally cause a guilty person, a factually guilty person, to simply walk out the door, never to be tried again for that crime.
Yes, that's correct.
Wow. Now, do you think the governor is aware of these things?
Oh, I'm sure the governor is aware of these. I would like to think so. One would hope that the governor would vet people. I know she had attorneys involved in the process as far as deciding whom to appoint to this position. So if she doesn't personally know, she certainly had people around her who do. And so, I can't speculate as to what all happened, but I would assume that she would be aware of
I'm
those
talking to
things.
Michael Wynhausen, who's a Linn County Deputy District Attorney running for the Linn County Circuit Court for the position currently held by Fay Stetz-Waters, who, by the way, we've invited to come on the program and explain what her point of view is on this and how she would defend against this. So tell me this. What factors might have caused the governor to pick, when she's usually picking people with 29 and a half years of experience, is the average of the 21 appointments she made other than Fay Stetz-Waters? Why would she pick a relative rookie with not even enough experience as a lawyer to be a pro tem judge, and not enough, and certainly not nearly as much, not even a tenth as much as her average appointment? What would cause that?
Well, Lars, I'm reluctant to speculate on...
Well, let's speculate anyway.
Well,
are there personal characteristics about now Judge Fay Stetz-Waters that might have caused the governor, for political reasons, to choose her?
Well, I guess I would say I would hope not, Lars. I don't know. There has been a trend, and again, this is speculation on my part, but there has been a trend from state government and the Criminal Justice Commission to push on counties, particularly counties that have a high commitment rate to the Department of Corrections, to get them to give probation where a sentence of prison is presumed under our current state of the law. And that inducement has been done through either offering money to counties, funding, or threatening to take funding away. Another way... Because the policies that they want to promote, in my opinion, are ones that are not consistent with public safety. And so another way to do that, because public safety is quite popular across all political lines, what they would like to do legislatively will have political consequence. And so there's been a trend of groups trying to insert people into positions like district attorneys and judges. And there is a possibility, I would suspect, that they could utilize those people in those positions with the same philosophy, and they will implement those policies without putting the legislature in the position, or the governor in the position of passing legislation to implement those kinds of policies.
So they can't get the law that'll set criminals free or go lighter on certain crimes, but they can put somebody in a position as a judge who might have the same effect as changing the law, except they don't have to mess with all that representative government stuff with asking the people's representatives to do it.
That's certainly possible. Judges have a great deal of authority in handing out sentences, and for that matter, district attorneys have a great deal of authority in terms of what they will prosecute and what they won't, and how they will handle those things. I'm fortunate that I am in a county where our prosecutor, Doug Martini, does an excellent job. He does things across the board. He follows the law, and that's the way DAs should be, and certainly that's the way judges should be.